Greetings, scholars. So we made it this far. We need to revise and edit our work. And for those who forgot, I am Miss Malaki, the second grade ELA and Humanities teacher, and I will be happy to assist you if you need any help. Now, let's go ahead and dive into the text so we can submit these this Friday. Happy Friday, scholars. So we need to edit and submit today. So let's go ahead and look at what we need to do to finish our writing response. So step 7, edit. Edit means we are adding commas, we are fixing spelling, we are fixing our grammar, we are making sure it makes sense. We're using our periods, our indents, our commas. Let's go on and continue. So, commas are punctuation marks that separate information and show where to pause. They help to make writing clearer. You will use commas in letters between the day and the year, after the greeting and after the closing. Notice I should see at least 3 commas in your writing response. So, first things first, read the part Dina draft below. Dear Mrs. Waldy, I am writing to say that Adam Bean should be our guest speaker for Author Day. Write the sentence that has a comma. Let's see here. I'm going to look for my comma. There it is. So pause the video and type. What sentence has a comma? Excellent job, scholars. Did you write, Dear Mrs. Waldy or Wadi? Again, Wadi. I'm just going to go with that for her name. Write the sentence missing a comma. So notice we need commas in dates, after the greeting, and after the closing. We don't have the closing here, but let's look at the date. Go ahead and write in there what is missing. Excellent, scholars. Did you notice the date is missing a comma? Let's go ahead and fix that right now. April 23rd, 2015. Let's go ahead and scroll down. Make sure you have this completed. Pause the video and check your answers. All right, scholars, let's go ahead and move on. Move on to guided practice. Add commas in the correct places. I want you to do this all by yourself. Pause the video and then return back to me. And go. Excellent job, scholars. Go ahead and check your answers and make sure you have a comma here, a comma here, a comma here, a comma here, and a comma here. Pause the video and make sure you have the same as me. Excellent. Right time. Check that you used commas correctly in your letter on the last page of the packet. You can also check for spelling, grammar, and punctuation. So here, you need to have your letter. So this right here, you don't need. And you can even put your date in there. I'm going to put today's date that I'm doing this. So Friday is, let's see here. Today is, I should know what today is. Today is Friday the 29th. So we're going to put May 29, 2020. And then we can continue on. Notice I already have my comma here. Then you need your closing. I'm going to put sincerely, Miss Malaki. Notice I have my comma here, my comma here, and my comma here. Once you know you have your commas and your date, go ahead and double check, reread your work, and check for punctuation, spelling, and grammar. Pause the video and go. Awesome job, scholars, checking your work and editing your work. Now you're ready to submit. Make sure you click all you need to for the week. Make sure you click in all turn-in buttons and submit your document to your teacher. Have a good week. See you next time. Thanks, scholars.